unapologetically evident with that midnight skin, drive a true dark blend. Many other beautiful hues, but we where they begin. The first perspective of the spectrum, none could ever contend, none could ever pretend. Your complexion's a blessing, even without the magazine. You are the essence of essence. Black queen relaxing on a bed of acceptance for the stars without space, but a fleck of reflection. We're the new Black Panthers, cause I feel we regressing. Seeking answers, black fists balled up for protection. Took a swing at your aura, took a shot at your pride. Sambo or Django, pick a path to survive. I ain't with being stepped on, I am A-set stone. In a band, not rolling, no control of my shine. Working through human nature to a flawless design. It's not a race between races, the opponent is time.
Between life and living. Covenantal shades most beautiful. And that light, pressure. It creates the shade that comes from you.
I am hardly Garvey and far from West. And if you think I mean Kanye, you having a blonde day. This is about a movement, this is improvement. Black son of the South making uppity music. Been called the N-word, now it's the N-word. Now we wanna delete it, treat it like a pretend word. Some of us choose to use it and return it to sender. Others try to switch it, mix it up in the blender. Why mince words, since words are just that. Ain't nobody told you good black don't crack. I'm more worried about how we gon' get back on track than how many weak rappers cooking crack on wax. Where my entrepreneurs at, that open the doors that lead to something other than prison, sleeping on floor mats. If we can break the cycle, we can rewrite the format. From between the rock and hard place where diamonds are formed at.